One of the things that I love to do is a full body detox for cellulite. So whether it is taking specific herbal medicines, which help to detoxify and liberate those toxins from all of the internal organs, or also doing this as a detox bath, it can be really, really effective at helping that cellulite. And the body actually holds on to excess water and fat to help to protect us from that toxic load, and really helping the organs, especially the liver, the large intestine, the skin, to help with that detoxification process is a great way, and to do this in a bath is fantastic. So the recipe for making the detox bath is to open up an entire bottle, so 60 capsules of the detox remedy, as well as mixing that in with about 1/3 a cup of Himalayan or sea salt. And you're going to combine that in your container. Now of that, you are going to use 1/4 cup of that detox mixture, and in your bath adding 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Now you're going to fill up your bathtub just enough to cover your body with the hottest water that you can stand. And I really like that for getting the blood flowing, but also helping to open up that blood flow to allow for that detoxification process to happen. And ideally you're lying in this bath for at least 45 minutes. You may need to add a little bit more hot water as it is cooling off, because 45 minutes is quite a long time. So bring your favorite movie, watch, chill, and detox all at once. You'll absolutely love it. So today I shared my favorite recipe, how to do a full body detox. It's a bath to help with cellulite, and of course doing it internally as well. I hope you try this out. So please, if you do have commentary on how it worked for you, I'd love to hear from you. If you've got other questions about it, please drop it in the comments section below. Be sure to share this video as well with your friends or someone that you know who will benefit from this recipe, and give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and click that bell to turn on your post notifications so that you're always aware of my newest and latest uploads, which happens every single day of the week. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to live your life in line and in tune with nature. Thanks for watching.